difference. This is Blender, and let me show you how to make the 3D texture in Blender. Okay, so it's our cube. Let's delete it and create. Let's add mesh plane, for example, and let's do it bigger. I'm holding S and increasing it a little bit. Okay, now I created by myself my own texture. I did it in Photoshop, and how I did it I'll tell you in one of the next lessons. And now let us see. So this is our object. Let's cover it with this texture. This is the texture I did it. And I did both, and diffuse and displacement maps. So let's see how it will be looking in our Blender. So I am going to texture and adding the new one. Then I'm going to material properties and adding the new one. And here I'm clicking on base color and choosing like a base color image texture and open the map I created. Right now I am choosing diffuse map. Open. Now let's check. Yes, it's done. I think it's nice. Okay, and now the next step is I'm going to texture properties and open displacement map. Okay, it's done. Now let's go to change the mode. Let's go to edit mode and right click of my mouse, subdivide. I'm choosing subdivision, and let me change the number of cuts. Let it be 100, for example. Enter. And let's subdivide one more time. More, better. Okay, now I'm going to modifier properties and I'm adding displace, and like texture will be our texture. Okay, I think we have to choose UV in coordinates, and like direction, let it be Z. Okay, now strength, it's a little bit too strength maybe 0.1 or 2, let's be 2 will be enough. And let's add one more modifier, subdivision surface. It looks a little bit better. I don't like it yet. So let's go to see what happens with our texture. Let's go to our materials and let's see now. Let's change a little bit the positions of sliders, like metallic, for example. You can try different sliders and see the result. I think maybe it's good already. You can try different and see what will happen. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah, like this. Let's choose shade smooth. I think it's good. It's 3D and it's nice. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!